Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to chat in Gmail in mobile. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened the Gmail apps on my phone, and then what you need to do to start chatting in Gmail, first you need to activate the chat feature on your Gmail app. So what you need to do is click on the three horizontal lines here, and then scroll down until you find the settings option. Just click on that, and then click on the on your email, so this one right here. But if you have more than one Gmail account, you can just choose one of them. So just click on the email and then scroll down, and you'll find under the general section there is chat. So you need to click on this box right here to show the chat, and also the to allow the chat feature in your Gmail. So when you click on that, the chat feature will appear at the bottom, and then to start chatting you can just click on that, on the chat, and then click on new chat, and then you can just click on create a space, and you can add a space name, and then click on next, and then you can add the person that you want to have a chat with or you want to converse with. But if you have already have a history chat, you can just click on the chat, and then you can just start chatting with your friends or colleagues right here. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can chat in Gmail in mobile. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in next video. Bye bye.